Hi, welcome to Grandma and Lulu's
Kitchen Creations.
This is the first episode of teaching everybody how to make a lot of food, and number one favorite, everyone favorite, is baklava. And if Lulu could do it,
then anyone can.
Okay, this is a baklava. This is a phyllo dough that you could buy.
Yeah, but where could you buy it?
You could buy it from any supermarket in the frozen section. Okay, now we start with ingredients. In order to make baklava, you need syrup. Syrup consists of
3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of water, and half a lemon.
Terrific. Bring it to boil, let it simmer for 15 minutes, take it off, and it has to be a room temperature. Okay? Now, the second thing we do is the actual baklava. So the phyllo dough.
It's the base.
Right? And we have 2 sticks of butter, and we have the filling is 1 pound of almond, 1 pound of walnut, 1 cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of cinnamon. That's really all you need.
Wait, Grandma.
Yes.
Make sure it's slivered almonds. You forgot.
Oh, I'm sorry, Lulu. Okay.
You just gotta
Lulu,
be exact.
let me tell you a little bit about my Lulu. Lulu is 9 years old. She started cooking when she was
3.
Lulu, do you like cooking?
I love it.
Great. You really had not too much choice, did you?
Yeah,
To learn, right?
because my mom is a terrible cooker, and who's gonna feed my dad?
Oh my God. She is?
Yeah.
Oh well. I'm glad that you learned how to cook.
Yeah. I have a question though.
Go ahead.
What happens if you rip the phyllo dough in the process of buttering?
That's okay. You just put it together and put butter, and butter fix everything.
So butter's like a glue?
Well, kind of. And it make everything taste good.
Mm-hmm. You know, it's kind of getting boring. Do you want to hear a joke?
Oh my God, Lulu. What? I have a comedy?
Yep, cooking comedy.
Okay.
What do you call a fake noodle?
What?
A fake one, yeah.
I don't
An
know.
impasta.
Oh my God, Lulu. Oh my God. Okay, now, as you could see, we put a little bit, wait a minute.
We're going to put a little bit, not too much.
A little
or it
bit
might
from
be
the
too-
mixture to make it higher.
And as I was saying, don't put too much or else it's going to taste too walnut-y and cinnamon-y.
Lulu, I think you're adding more stuff on your own.
What did I do the next sheet?
Okay, wait a minute. We need to put now the filling in the middle.
Exactly. Can I do
Okay.
it?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, you spread it evenly. Lulu,
Yeah.
when we make the syrup, we make sure it's not caramelizing on us.
Oh, don't remind me of caramelizing.
Excuse me? Why is that?
Because we had some friends over and Mom tried to make baklava. So she put the syrup before they put it in the oven. And then when it hardened, because the syrup was in the oven, so when people took a bite, their teeth almost fell out.
Oh my God, Lulu. Oh well. I'm
Well-
glad that you are learning how to do that.
Can I have a sheet?
Yes, you will.
I was going to walk over there, but I would just
No,
ask
no.
you. It would be better, right?
Yes, come on.
Oh,
And as you can see, you don't have to take one by one.
Yeah.
You could take 2, 3 at a time, because when you cut it and you put a lot of butter in, and the butter go in between the creases, so it's no problem at all taking 2 at a time or 3 at a time.
even 4 or
Come
5.
on, yeah. Come on.
I mean, I have probably 3 or 4.
Okay, butter it, Lulu. The whole idea with this, you have to be quick, so it wouldn't dry on you.
You know, can I tell you the most important thing about cooking?
Yeah.
Is to have fun and also to be very, very organized.
Great. Yes. The trick to cooking is to be very, very organized. Okay, that's it, Lulu. That's it.
Make sure you don't get it too you or it won't taste good. I have a question.
Actually, more butter, Lulu.
Oh,
Make it this
really?
way. Yeah, just the right amount.
Never knew that.
Just the right amount, and make it look very
Can
good.
I have a few questions for you?
Oh boy, that's a quiz, Lulu.
Yes, it is a quiz almost. Anyway, how do you cut phyllo dough?
How you cut it? You're
Yeah.
gonna cut it 15 even square, and we're gonna do that
Whoa.
right now.
What if you want to make it bigger? Like,
You could make it any size you want.
oh, so
But-
I could I cut out a giant heart
Okay.
if
No.
I wanted?
Well, you don't want to waste too much.
Oh.
So we cut it even, 15 even and square, and every square to triangle.
I have a question.
You have too many questions, Lolo.
Well, what kind of knife are you using? Is it a chef knife or a paring knife?
You could use any knife as long as it's very sharp.
Okay. Well, it's getting kind of boring.
Oh, again?
Yeah? Do you want to hear another joke?
Oh my God,
It's
Lolo.
another one about food. As I said earlier, cooking and comedy.
Okay.
The joke is, what do you call why were the beans so sad?
What?
The beans were so sad. Why? Because I don't really know, but they just didn't want to talk about it.
Lulu, I can't believe this. I can't believe this.
What,
So
am I a
you
comedian?
really? Yeah, I guess so. The cooking comedian here.
Yep.
Lulu,
Cooking
what more
comedian.
could we do with the phyllo dough?
Well, you could make it into different things. Like, I just saw in the box, it had a little fruit thing. Oh, and you can also make baklava, but instead of adding nuts, you could add cream.
And we could make spinach pie,
Yep.
meat
Spinach
pie,
pie, meat pie,
cheese
cheese
and...
pie, cheese and spinach, there are endless things.
Oh, terrific.
And if you're
And what's your favorite, Lulu?
cheese,
Now,
Grandma, sorry to
Okay.
say, but you're a little slow, so we gotta hurry it up. Run, run, run. Right now. Oh, I have one question. Is it Fahrenheit or Celsius, and how many minutes?
350 Fahrenheit. And now with
Wow.
the magic of...
Time.
Okay, now
We have the syrup done.
here is the syrup.
It should look like this. One of my
Okay.
favorite parts is syrup. Well,
And here is a wonderful piece. Enjoy
wonderful
it.
piece.
Please try it. Let us know how did you like it. And as I said again, if Lulu could do it,
Anyone can. Plus, Grandma, can I try, please?
okay, enjoy it.